We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 2022 Hennessey VelociRaptor Bronco 500. Just a great ride. 32,000 miles. The Hennessey package was 30-something thousand. 500 horsepower, 500 foot-pound torque, 10-speed automatic, 470 gears. I mean, this thing just screams. This is number 23 of 200 as the carbon fiber package. The VelociRaptor bumpers, 5 Hennessey wheels, matching spare, of course. Dark blue leather interior. Just a killer ride. And like I said, it's like still new in the Raptor. Raptor. Just love this. Soft cactus gray is the factory color. All the cameras, LED lighting. Hennessey WeatherTech. This is just absolutely a beautiful color combination with this soft cactus gray, dark blue leather, carbon fiber package. I mean, this thing is amazing. I love this Bronco. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. This one will not last very long. So if you've wanted one of these, didn't want to pay $100-something thousand, pick up the phone and call. Here's your opportunity. www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. This is just a cool ride. Love this interior. Orange stitching, orange seat belt. Then it's got both keys at the top. And these panels are removable. Change your exhaust. We'll go Ford exhaust. And we're at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri. We're in the suburbs of St. Louis, about 30 minutes from the international airport, which is St. Louis International, Lambert International. They're one and the same. If you'd like to fly in person and check it out, we'd be more than happy to pick you up. Just call us, notify us, and forward us your flight itinerary, and we'll be there to pick you up at the airport. We want to send an inspector. We welcome inspections. If you need transportation, I can get this parked in your driveway. Do it as a courtesy service. You would just pay for the actual service when your vehicle is delivered. But this thing is a bad boy. Fun ride. You just barely get on this thing and it just takes off. Definitely don't want to get too close to one of these rock chipping machines in front of us. But pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. I mean, this thing's loaded up with all the options. Great color combination, great miles. My name's Mark, Westport Auto Center. It's at 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. 2022 Hennessey Raptor Velocity 500. Could be yours today. WestportAutoCenter.com.